Hi everyone, welcome back to day 13 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I'm Chris O'Neill and I'm so glad you're here. If you were with me yesterday, you saw me unbox or unbag, I guess, this thread dome. I'm valuing this at $12. You can of course get them on sale too, but they're on average around $12. They're a really great notion to have. That brings our total up to $167, meaning we only have $13 to go to break even on the $180 box. And it's only day 13. So I think we're doing really, really well. Let's see what day 13 today adds to it. So I have no idea what this is. No idea. So let's open it up and take a peek. And again, well, this one doesn't even have a sticker. Oh, it does have a sticker on it. But this one's not sealed. Anyway, I didn't peek, I swear. These are cute. Let me just make sure. Okay. All right, put that over there. All right. Crazy Quilt Redwork Trees. Okay, these are really, really cute. Hopefully you can see that. I'll put an inset picture too. It's the whole kit, and it looks like you make these adorable little trees, and you put them on stands. I think they're really cute. Oh my goodness. I think they're adorable. Okay, you know I'm gonna be making these. And it's hand stitching, but it's embroidery. And I'm really excited about this. Very cute, I love it. All right, I will make these. I will definitely show you the end product. And I think there's even really good instructions in there too for the stitches. Very nice, okay, excited. So far, I'm really happy with these items. It's a good year to get Jenny's Countdown to Christmas box, in my opinion. Fantastic. All right, before we take a peek at what day 14 might be, first I just want to tell you, Quiltmas is sort of over. All the videos are out there and all the secret words are out there. So if you're interested in entering to win one of the quilts or all of the quilts or whatever, you go to that individual person's page. In their description for their Quiltmas video, have an entry form. You put in all 12 words and you enter to win. So all the instructions will be on everybody's individual page, including mine. I will put a link to the form in this video too, at the first comment, so you can get to it easily. I'll also put it in the description. I hope you win. I hope you win one of these wonderful quilts, and you can enter for all 12 or just the ones you liked or one or whatever it may be. My day is day 8, so definitely go back and check my video and see my quilt. I have a picture of it here if you're interested in winning it. I love it. I'm gonna have a hard time parting with it, but I will be okay. It will be fine. All right, let's take a peek or a guess at day 14. All right, here's day 14, another little gift. I don't know what this is either. It feels like it's in some sort of package. Feels like there's a Ziploc at the top, maybe. It's bumpy. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is, but I'm anxious to find out. So tune in tomorrow to see what's in this little tiny package. I'll see you soon. Have a great day and make sure you take some time to sew. Bye.